Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Dia, and in this video I'm back with another DIY makeover. But as you can see by the title, it's not a room makeover, it's a furniture makeover. So if you're wondering what is a furniture makeover, it basically means that I will be revamping a desk that I had lying around in my house, and it's just a really old looking desk, and I'm going to be making it over, making it look more modern, hopefully, fingers crossed, because I don't know how it's going to turn out. But if you guys are as interested as I am to see how it turns out, keep watching and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let me know what you thought of the makeover and what type of videos you want me to make next. So now, without talking any further, let's get started. So as you guys can see, right behind me I have my desk, and it's a very old looking, old-fashioned, very bad dated desk. I got it for free because the previous owner just left it in this house, and I just never threw it out because I thought that it serves a purpose. It has 6 drawers, 3 on each side, which is a lot of storage for desks nowadays. It's really hard to find desks with so much storage, and the drawers are actually really deep, and like they're really big, so there's a lot of things that you can fit in each drawer. And I just thought it was actually a really good desk, but I just do not vibe with the wood pattern, and I do not vibe with like the style, the color, and like these handles. So I'm going to be giving it a makeover. So my vision with this desk is basically painting the desk white, putting a contact paper at the top just because the top is really scuffed up and damaged, and I just want to like cover it up, and changing up these knobs. So I have 3 things to do. They're very easy to do, doesn't take that much time. So if you guys have furniture like this at home, you don't know what to do with it, just literally give it a fresh coat of paint, change up the knobs, and trust me, you're going to have a new piece of furniture. So, let's get started. So, for paint, I actually got this paint. It's called Fusion Mineral Paint, and I'm not sure if you guys heard of it before, but this paint is literally made for furniture. So apparently you do not have to sand anything down. You can literally just paint on top of finished surfaces, and that is literally what I need right now because I do not have the patience to sand this desk down. So I got this paint from a store, like a third-party store. This paint is actually like really rare to find. Like, you're not going to find it in the big retailers, you know, such as Home Depot and things like that. You can find it on Etsy, but Etsy has like $20 shipping fee, which I do not like. But the store I got it from, I will link it down below in the description bar, but it is from Toronto, so if you live in Toronto, check it out. And yeah, I got the shade Picket Fence. Apparently that is like the whitest shade for this brand. But yeah, this is what it looks like, and it should be enough because I don't really need to paint the top since I'm going to be covering it up with contact paper. But yeah. guys, so the first coat is done. I'm going to wait till they dry and then I will be back to do a second coat, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that second coat should be good enough. This paint is pretty opaque, so the first coat is not too bad, so I'm hoping that the second coat would be enough. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till it dries and I'll be back to show you guys the second coat. Hi guys, so this is day 2 of this table makeover, and as you can see by the top drawers, it's painted. So we're gonna move on to our next step, which is contact paper. So I got this marble contact paper from Amazon, and my plan is to literally cover the top with the contact paper. Now it's going to be a little difficult because the corners are not straight, like there's lots of like curves and things like that. So what I'm going to do is try to like use a hair dryer to fold the edges. Apparently that helps, but we shall see. I already cleaned the top of the desk, so we're all good to go. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, so the contact paper is done. I could have done a way better job with it, but I didn't. Like, as you can see, there's a few bubbles here and there, and the corners aren't that crisp. But I believe that you guys can do a way better job than I did. So show me when you guys do it. Also, I freaking used the old handles as my squeegee because I didn't have a squeegee. So yeah, always improvise. Okay, so we're on to the last step. So I'm going to show you guys quickly how it looks right now. And let's move on. So I got these knobs off of Amazon again. It's these ones. As you can see, these are very, very modern looking desks, and I think it would look really good. So I initially wanted to get gold ones, but then the gold ones were like way too expensive, so I thought that I would just spray paint these gold. But looking at them black, I kind of like it black. I feel like it just ties in with the gray and stuff, so I'm just gonna keep them black. But that again is a really good option. So if you guys you know, want gold knobs but then they're too expensive, just buy black ones and then spray paint them gold. It's a lot cheaper. So this set came with a pack of 10, but I only need 6, so that's good. I'll have 4 left in case like I need them somewhere else. So yeah, let's get started with these. Oh my gosh, you guys, so the desk is done. You guys can kind of see it already, but I will quickly style it so you guys can get a better view of the desk. And honestly, guys, it looks really good. Did not take that much effort to do, so I'm going to quickly show you guys the reveal. Oh my god, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. As you can see by the desk behind me, it looks really good. I think it looks really good. Again, let me know down in the comments what you thought of the desk. I think the black actually looks really good. I'm so glad I didn't spray paint these gold because I just think the black pops a lot more. Again, it was super easy. All I did was just paint the desk, change up the hardware, and put on a contact paper. And I think it totally transformed the look. So I hope this video inspires you to, you know, recycle, upcycle your old furniture and make them look modern. You can even do this and, you know, like just sell it. Like instead of throwing it out, make some money on the side. Like, I won't be throwing it out though. Like, I actually need a desk, so I'm just going to be using this desk. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know down in the comment section, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, do all that fun stuff. And until then, bye!